So yesterday we treated the part one of the market structure where we talked about the uptrend, ranging and the downtrend market. And we talked about knowing the major structure and the minor structure, knowing where you are at the market and knowing how you can take advantage of these moves. So yesterday we talked about the part one of the market structure. We talked about the uptrend, ranging and downtrend. We talked about identifying the major and the minor structure, knowing where you are at every point in time in the market, whether you're in the major structure or in the minor structure. So today we'll talking about mainly the advanced market structure. Let me draw the formation. So this is it here. As we all know, this is an uptrend, while this is a downtrend. So the advanced market structure happens like this. When price moves up, comes down, then breaks this high, then price comes and takes it out and push up. You see this point? See this is a point for you to look out here. This. So as usual, price is meant to come here and then continue pushing up. Same thing applies for downtrend. Let's say price is going down like this, going down like this. So let me delete this. Let me delete. So price is going down like this. So this is it. Price is going to come back here. I'll continue going down. So these are the two. This is just a model, first model though, of the advanced market structure. This A, let me draw it out very clearly. This is it. Starts like this. Axis is away from this key level. That's it. So let me give you an example. This is the trade I caught on GBP JPY. So as you can see, let me explain better. As you know, we are in an uptrend on this market. Show you from 4 hours time frame, or let's go from the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Remember what I told you, what I taught you guys. You can see impulsive. This is a correction, and inside that correction, you see the minor structures forming that formed there. Another one. Then we are heading for another impulsive movement. Again, so as you can see, this have series of downtrends inside here, like I taught from the yesterday class. This is it again. Go down to 4 hours time frame and see it very clearly. Very clearly. So you can see that I know the point I am in the market. That was how I was able to maximize this opportunity. So see this. Oh, so I'm showing this list. Like I said initially, these are impulsive. Then the minor structure before another impulsive. The minor structure. Then we are in the impulsive already. So how I knew that we are in the impulsive already was from this break here. Like that. So have a break of structure here with this. So So all I did to get this trade was it was on 2 hours. I switched to the line chart and see what I told you. Though it didn't happen textbook exactly the way I drew it there, but it's just about you understanding the concept. Understand? So that was it. So one more time frame. Remember, all this happened with me following the trend. So if you know where you are at every point in time in the market, the journey is 50% solved for you. That was how I got this move. Let me give you another explanation. You can see this now, the clear description of that same thing I taught you guys. So we have this somewhere. Let me the line chart. We have this. Have this. No break yet. Have this. Then we finally have a break of structure. So on the other hand, price is likely to come back here to continue pushing up. So this is it. So you can actually backtest this and see how it works. Remember, before you can apply this, you must wait for break of structure. And like I said before, always know where you are at every point in time in the market. Are you in the major structure or are you in the minor structure? This will help you simplify your decision making and to avoid careless mistakes in the market. Any mistakes made here is paid with dollars. So you would like to avoid some careless mistake. Mind you, there will always be losses in trading, as you all know. but the goal is for your profit to be bigger than your losses. That's it on today's episode. See you on the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.